7:30 a.m. on Sunday, September 29th. And Chloe got her wish. It's snowing.
Wow. Look, that's where you were before. You're over there out at the wheelbarrows and everything. Yeah.
I can barely see parts of it.
Oh yeah, the lawnmower's got snow on it. The lawnmower, don't need to mow the lawn anymore. That's awesome, yeah. Are you excited?
That storm did pretty much bring snow.
Yeah, historical storm, yeah.
What month is it? Do you remember?
September?
September. It's snowing in September in Montana. There's a historic storm. It hasn't snowed in 36 years in this area in September. Look at that. Look, that's a lot of snow. Are your gloves, Chloe?
No, I want to feel the snow.
You want to feel the snow? Okay, go. Go feel the snow.
I want to feel the snow.
You want to feel the snow too?
It's so white and so cold.
It is so white and so cold.
It's snowing!
Is that fun? Look, knock it all off. Whoa. All these apples. Ah. That's a lot of snow. Look at your head.
The head?
Your head's got snow on the top of it.
Shake it off.
Oh. This is great. Whoa. Look at this one. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Oh.
She's like a baby.
Is that yummy? No, don't put it on her head. You go.
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna ruin his brand new camera.
Go! Oh my god.
It's so
Okay. Nice. Look at that, huh? Pretty good.
cold.
All right, let's get your feet. Marching. Look, you're marching on the snow for the first snow. Now that's snow, huh?
Yeah, this is snow. Oh, right.
Are you building a snowman? Hannah's tramping down the area
perfect,
around it. Good job.
Look, Hannah, here's some
Good
more
job,
pieces.
Hannah.
Here, Hannah.
What are you doing?
Putting snow on the ground.
Why?
Because,
So you can climb the tree?
no, because so there's more snow.
Creating a blizzard, huh?
Just eat the snow.
You ate the snow? She said she ate the snow.
Oh yeah, if I give you a cup, bring some in and I'll put maple syrup on it.
Maple syrup and snow, does that sound good? Yes.
No, thank you.
Okay. It's gonna be great.
Daddy's working on it. Daddy's getting the snowman going. Good job, Daddy.
It's gonna be this is gonna be the feet.
The feet? Oh boy, we're making feet?
Or maybe the body, I don't know.
My snowman wasn't gonna be that complex. Are you catching snowflakes on your tongue? Is it working? Are you getting any? Do they taste good? What do they taste like?
Same as this. Ice cake.
Ice cake. They taste like an ice cake. What did Daddy find? Oh,
Come, Hannah, help.
that
push.
snow's
Push.
snow's heavy, huh? Go help,
Come
Hannah.
on, we need your help, Hannah.
Nope. Hannah's good where she's at. Whoa, now it's gonna be a big snowman.
Yeah?
Now we're getting serious.
Awesome shovel.
Now we're getting serious.
Hey, Hannah, your turn. Come on.
I'm sure Ted knows how to pick the snow shovels.
Come on. Come on, sweetheart.
No.
Ready? Get on here. 1, 2, 3. You too cold?
She's got hand warmers.
You
Tell Daddy where to go.
Which way should I push it? Where should I put it? Over there? Oh, this is gonna be a big snowman. Yeah? We gotta pull this off so we can mow
It's
the grass.
still snowing, Chloe. Hey, you should see the top of your head. It's covered in snow. Wait. Your hat. And in the back of your hood that you took off. Covered in snow. Keep building him up. Like, I don't know how big he's
We can do it. It'll be big.
gonna be. What are you guys building? What are you building, Hannah? Hannah, what are you making?
No, we're gonna switch now.
What are we making, guys? What kind of, is this like a dragon horse or something?
Is it a snow dragon? Hannah.
I think it's a mythical creature again. That makes it a lot easier on Daddy.
2 mythical creatures. This one and this one. No, I'm doing this one.
Hey, give me a head. I'm getting a head.
Oh boy. Dad jokes.
We need the glue to glue this head on.
Eat the fresh snow, not
No,
the
where
stuff
it's
on the
just-
rocks.
All white. If you see it brown, Hannah, that's dog poop.
That's yucky. Here, over here. Fresh snow.
There's a puppy.
That.
It's a mythical creature.
Is that a snow dragon?
It's got 2 heads.
What? Really?
Yes, see there's a lion head here.
Uh-huh.
There's a lion head, and this is the dragon
I
side.
kind of thought it looked like.
The dragon side.
Can you come out and finish it?
There you go. Are you going underneath the bellies? Look at you.
Belly of the beast.
Look at you.
Snowy in there.
Nice. You went underneath
Snow
the...
cave.
That's your big snow cave, huh? There you go. Look at that snow dragon you built. Pretty cool.
It's all over your face. Did you fall?
No? I went like this.
What? You stuck your face in the snow?
I'm gonna stick my face in the snow.
Okay. Oh. Let me get a picture of your face, you silly. Hannah is not. She's got so much snow. Make them look cool. That's a skeleton, huh? Show Grammy how you can go underneath. You did it! Nice! This side's not really finished yet.
Oh my gosh,
We're doing good. There's his head. Isn't that cool? Do you like it, Grammy?
Yes, it's wonderful.
It's a 2-headed dragon, yeah?
Yes. One on one side and one on the other side.
Yeah.
This is what I like.
Yes.
No, that one.
Grammy needs gloves.
No, Grammy's not going to do it anymore.
Wait for me.
Oh, I got you.
Right in the face. Hiking through the snow, up in the mountains. We can't get out. Are we gonna make it out of the snow? It's forever. It's forever. There's so much snow. Are we gonna make it out? Can we make it to the? It's the forest. Where we ever make it? We're lost.
Don't go in the water.
We're lost.
Step over the water. Chloe, try not to step in the
Oh
water,
no.
okay? Hey, come on,
Oh wait.
somebody else does-
There's the road. We found the road. That's awesome.
'cause I don't want your feet getting frozen. Good You're gonna share? Oh.
Is that some yummy snow, Hannah? This is just nutty, huh?
Does
it taste that good?
Yeah.
Really? What does it taste like?
Say bye.
Wait, Mommy's gonna taste snow. Okay, here she goes.
I don't think I need one that big. It kind of does taste like shave ice. Just without the flavor.
It's shave ice
I mean,
without
it's the consistency
what
of
would
shave
be
ice,
the?
right?
Of course, it's like shave ice.
Eating
It's not bad.
it.
Eat it, eat it. What are you doing?
Eating the snow.
You're eating the snow? Like that? Let's see your face. All right.
All right.
Go, 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 go. Hannah jumping on a trampoline in the snow.
It's like tiny. The town of Glide next to the biggest town, but it's not very much.
That's cool. One more time. Go, go, go.
Mom, look how high I'm going.
That's awesome. That is one big snow cone. Is that shave ice?
Mhm.
It's the biggest shave ice I've ever seen.
Which is really nice.
What flavor is it?
This blueberry kindy.
That's funny. I was just thinking blueberry. That is a big shave ice blueberry. I wonder if your dragon would like a bite.
Grandma said to watch out for the yellow snow because Santa's reindeer might be out doing test runs.
Oh no.
Maybe
Little
the
snowman there.
eyebrows won't give
I
it.
think it's pretty cool.
No, my button. My
Your button fell off.
My button.
You gotta push him in.
That's pretty cool. Making a little snowman. All right. Good job.
I guess it just puts two buttons.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, we should make baby snowman.
What are we naming him?
Ada.
Ada.
His nose kind of looks like a tongue sticking out at you.
Yeah.
rather than
I made a snowman in front of Grammy's house. He's got the little kitty. She made a kitty
Oh, how cute that kitty.
and a little face. The face keeps changing because of the snow is melting. And we sacrificed some bushes.
More snow. More snow. More snow.
It's snowing.
It's snowing!
Snowing. It's been snowing for hours. See, we got 5 or 6 inches, but I'm no expert. There was no snow, then there was snow, and now there's no snow again. I've only been here 2 days.
Hey Adventure Kids, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the button below and share the adventure with your friends. Aloha!